The mystery of the finger of suspicion, unraveling its meaning. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase that often pops up in mysteries and discussions: the finger of suspicion. If you've ever wondered what this phrase means and how you can use it in your conversations, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery together and make your English learning journey a bit more interesting. The phrase, finger of suspicion, sounds like it's straight out of a detective novel, doesn't it? In essence, it refers to a situation where someone is believed to be guilty of something, especially a crime. It's like an invisible finger pointing at them, suggesting they may have done something wrong. The important thing to note is that it's about suspicion, not proof. So, when you say the finger of suspicion points at someone, you're saying they're under suspicion. Ever wondered where such a vivid phrase comes from? The finger of suspicion has its roots deep in the language of crime and detective stories, where visual imagery is key to building suspense. It's a metaphorical expression that's been adopted over time to describe the act of suspecting someone. While the exact origin is hard to pin down, its use in literature and media has cemented its place in the English language. Now, let's get practical. How do you use finger of suspicion in everyday conversation or writing? Here are a few examples. After the jewelry went missing, the finger of suspicion pointed at the butler, who had access to the safe. Despite the team's efforts, the finger of suspicion always seems to point back to them, making the case difficult to close. The finger of suspicion has moved from one suspect to another as new evidence comes to light. These sentences show how the phrase can add a layer of mystery and intrigue to your speech or writing. Understanding phrases like finger of suspicion is crucial for English learners for several reasons. It not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you grasp the cultural nuances of the language. Such expressions can make your conversation more vivid and expressive, especially in contexts involving storytelling or discussions about justice and morality. And there you have it. The mystery of the finger of suspicion uncovered. We hope this video has shed light on this fascinating phrase and added a new tool to your English language toolkit. Remember, learning a language is all about discovering new ways to express yourself and connect with others. Keep exploring, and don't hesitate to use the finger of suspicion in your next English adventure. Until next time, happy learning!